everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn Math with Priya. In this video, we are going to solve problems based on TSA and CSA of a cone. If you want to know the derivation of CSA and TSA, please do visit my previous video. The link is given here. When any problem is given, read the question twice or thrice to understand it better. So let's read the question. Diameter of the base of a cone is 10.5 centimeter. So what I am doing, I am just filtering what is given from the statement. So diameter is equal to 10.5 centimeter. Slant height is 10 centimeter. So slant height is represented by the letter L. So that is 10 centimeter. Find its curved surface area. So they are asking me to find CSA of a cone. So what is the formula? In order to find CSA of a cone, we have derived the formula as pi RL square units. Now we are going to substitute the values of pi, r and l. We have the diameter. So from here I can find the radius. So radius is nothing but diameter by 2. So which is 10.5 centimeter divided by 2. Isn't it? So, what is the value of pi? Pi can be written as 22 by 7 or 3.14. So, I am going to substitute the values for pi, r, and l. So, what is the value of pi? It is 22 by 7 and r is 10.5 by 2. Here, I haven't reduced this to 5.25 because it is easy for me to cancel by common factors by common factors, so I'm keeping as such. The value of L is 10. So now I'm going to cancel by common factor. 2 times 1, 2 times 11. Similarly, I'm going to cancel 7 and 10.5. 7 times 1 and 7 times 1.5. So in order to know how 10.5 is divided by 7, I am just doing the calculation here. 7 times 1 is 7, the remainder is 3. Before taking the next number, there is a decimal which will go up and bring the next number down. So 7 times 5 is 35. So now write the remaining numbers. So it is 11 times 1.5 times 10. So be smart to do the calculation. Always rearrange numbers in such a way that we can remove the decimals. So I'm just multiplying 1.5 by 10 so that decimal digits will be removed. So it becomes 11 into 15. So which implies 165 centimeter square. So CSA is nothing but 165 centimeters square. So conclusion is highly important. So conclude your answer. Let's move on to the second problem. Find the total surface area of a cone if its slant height is 21 meter and the diameter of its base is 24 meter. So let us write what is given from the problem. So slant height is represented by the letter L, that is 21 meter, and diameter of the base is 24 meter. So which means I can find radius from the given diameter, that is 12 meter, isn't it? So to find, what am I supposed to find? I have to find the TSA of a cone. Let's recall the TSA of a cone formula. TSA is nothing but pi r square plus pi r l, or else if I take pi and r commonly outside, it is r plus l square units, isn't it? So total surface area is nothing but adding all the surface areas together. The base surface is pi r square, which is circle, and this is CSA, which is pi rl. Now we are going to substitute the values. 22 by 7 into 12 times r plus l. So 12 plus 21. Remember, as per board master rule, we have to evaluate the bracket first. So it will be 22 by 7 into 12 into 33. So now there is no possibility to cancel, isn't it? So we are going to multiply all the numerator together and then we are going to divide by 7. So when you multiply all the numerators separately, you will get 8712 divided by 7, which is going to be 1244.57. and the unit is meter square. So we are going to conclude finally, that is the TSA of a cone is 1244.57 meter square. If you want to know the working of division, that is shown here. Since I can continue the division by placing the decimal and adding the number of zeros, so I have continued up to 3 decimal digits. Since the third digit is less than 5, I am just skipping it to the 2 decimal digits without rounding off. So it is 1244.57 meter square. Let's move on to the next question, which is question number 3. The curved surface area of a cone is 308 centimeters square. So what is given? CSA, right? CSA of a cone is 308 centimeters square. So when I'm just writing CSA of a cone, you just replace CSA of a cone with the formula pi RL. So that is also equal to 308 centimeters square. Then the next given is, and its slant height is 14 centimeter. So L is equal to 14 centimeter. So what are the things I have to find it out? To find the first one, I have to find the radius of the base and the total surface area of a cone. So write both, because if you forget to find any one of it, you may happen to miss the mark. So write both the criteria which you need to find. Now apply the formula. So what is the formula I have to apply? As I know, the CSA is 308. So I'm equating pi RL is equal to 308, isn't it? So what is pi? 22 by 7 into R. I want to find it. So I just keep R as it is, and L is 14 centimeter, that is equal to 308. In order to find radius, I need to transpose the number to the other side. Before transposing, I can cancel 7 and 14 by common factor. So 7 times 2 is 14. So write the remaining 22 times 2 into R is equal to 308. Take all the numbers to the other side. The numerator will come to the denominator, or else the multiplication will transpose to the other side in terms of division, isn't it? So now I can cancel it by 2 times. So 154. So R is 154 by 22. So I can cancel using 11 tables. 11 times 2, 11 times 14. Again, I can cancel 2 and 14 by 7 times. So R is 7 centimeter. Don't forget to write the unit, as unit is highly important for the marking criteria. The next thing is to find the TSA of a cone. So TSA of a cone, we know the formula is pi times R plus L, isn't it? So substitute the values. So 7 and 7 will be cancelled. So it is 22 times 21, which is going to be 462 centimeter square. Now conclude your answer. Radius is 7 centimeter and TSA is 462 centimeter square. Let's see one real life application problem. A conical tent is 10 meter high. So what is given? Height of a conical tent is 10 meter and the radius is 24 meter. So I'm going to specify that in the figure. So consider this is the height of a tent, and the base radius is going to be 24 meter and the height is going to be 10 meter, isn't it? So in order to find the slant height, I know the height and the radius is making 90-degree angle. So I can use Pythagoras, and we have already derived the formula L is equal to root of h square plus r square, isn't it? So first determine what I have to find it. I have to find the slant height of the cone and also the cost incurred for making the tent. But before finding the cost of a canvas, I need to find the CSA. Why CSA of a cone? Because I don't want any material to cover the base area. So only we are involving the curved surface area of a cone. So L is equal to root of h square plus r square. So I'm going to substitute the values of h and r. So 10 square is 100, 24 square is 576. So you will get L is equal to root of 676. So root of 676 is 26 centimeter. So now I found the slant height. The next step is to find the CSA of a cone. The next is to find the cost of canvas. In order to find the cost of canvas, I need a CSA of a cone, isn't it? So CSA of a cone and cost of canvas. So first let me find the CSA of a cone, which is pi times r times L. So substitute the values given and keep this as it is. No need to do the calculation, as when we multiply by 70, automatically 7 and 70 will get cancelled because I need to find the cost of canvas. So cost of canvas is equal to, so I have this much meter square and that has to be multiplied by 70. 10 times. So the answer is going to be 1,37,280 rupees. So hope you understand how to calculate the CSA and TSA of a code when the word problem is given. Let us see more interesting real life application problem in my next video. Until then, Priya signing off. Thank you.